As we look live at Washington once again, there are some significant developments this morning surrounding the man who used to occupy the White House, the former U.S. President Donald Trump, and allegations involving his businesses. New York's Attorney General says there is evidence the Trump Organization has engaged in fraudulent or misleading practices. Let's go to our Washington bureau and Magda Gabriel-Salasay with more on this story. A couple of things to ask about the former president, Magda. Number one, as I said, the New York State Attorney General with a late-night court filing saying that Donald Trump's company routinely misrepresented the value of its properties. Tell us about what is in this court filing.
Well, she's not holding back. Essentially, she's accusing Trump and two of his children of being behind that financial fraud and going back years. Now, in the court documents, Letitia James says her investigation has uncovered evidence to show that the Trump Organization inflated the value of multiple properties. All of this to get loans, insurance coverage, and tax breaks. Now, the court documents state that Donald Trump Jr. and Ivanka Trump were all involved. And now the Attorney General wants the court to compel them to testify this after the senior Trump tried to block the subpoenas that were already issued. His lawyer saying that, this violated the family's constitutional rights. But the Attorney General has said in a statement, "We will not be deterred in our efforts to continue this investigation, uncover the facts, and pursue justice no matter how many roadblocks Mr. Trump and his family throw in our way. No one is above the law." Now, this is a civil investigation. At the same time, there is an ongoing criminal investigation as well. And with both investigations, Trump has previously maintained that he thinks this is all politically motivated, calling it a witch hunt. And we're still waiting to hear directly from Trump on this latest filing.
The other aspect to the Trump story today is the U.S. House Select Committee, the committee that's investigating the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol. It is really being very dogged in its pursuit right now, and subpoenas going out, Magda, to a number of Trump associates and family members.
That's right. So 4 of Trump's allies who promoted the idea of election fraud conspiracies and pushed to overturn the results of the election, 4 of them have now been subpoenaed to testify. That includes Rudy Giuliani, as well as lawyers Jenna Ellis and Sidney Powell, and former Trump campaign advisor Boris Epstein. Now, committee chairman Benny Thompson said in a statement the 4 individuals, quote, advanced unsupported theories about election fraud, pushed efforts to overturn the election results, or were in direct contact with the former president about attempts to stop the counting of electoral votes. Meanwhile, CNN is reporting that the committee now has a hold of phone records for Eric Trump and Kimberly Guilfoyle, the fiancée of Donald Trump Jr. Both of them had spoken at the January 6th rally prior to the Capitol attack. So a lot of activity this week involving Trump's family members and inner circle.
Magda, much to watch there, and we'll do so with you. Thank you very much, Magda Gabriel-Salasay from Washington.